Hello everybody, it is Laurie here from Greystone Landscapes back with another video. This weekend has been so busy and it's honestly just been completely back to back, and we are so very grateful for all the support, so thank you very much for allowing us to be busy. This weekend Wes is clearing out a mini forest. I will put up some pictures to show you so you can see exactly what he's been up to. Now this is only a 10% of about 100% of land that we're currently helping clear out. What we've done with this client is we have done it in phases in order to fit their requirements. So if you are wanting to do something but you wanting to phase it out throughout the year, absolutely get in contact with us and let's see how we can work together to bring about those different phases, those different steps that we need to take in order to get your garden to where you want it to be. The other part of the weekend that we are at is a garden clear up for a house that's been sitting vacant. We'll be there in the morning and then we'll go to the other forest clear up and then we'll come back to this one because we don't like to start heavy machinery obviously at like 6-7 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to start off doing some hand weeding, just some general things that we can do with our hands and with non-noisy machineries. Well, I guess it wouldn't be with machines then, but with things that don't make noise. We have also been doing gutter clearing. This is a time of year you need to start thinking about those gutters. It is a very common thing that can happen to people where they just sort of forget about their gutters, and you're not alone in those kind of things. Unfortunately, they get blocked up and backed up really quickly. So this is your sign to get your gutters checked. Let's go see what Wes has been up to. Like I said, we're going to start at the property, just doing a bit of some hand weeding, and then we will head on into the other properties.
Good morning. We have some weeding here to do today. We've got all of that to cut. I've already done the grass at the back and then a whole bunch to do at the back. So this is all we need to do. It's a rented property, so just get it back to a standard where the new tenant can plant what they want to. I'll be cutting that back with a hedge trimmer and I'll be doing all of this. Good morning. We have these fruit trees, pear and apple, to prune, and we're going to start with that. I will show the before pictures, but yeah, this is what I've done today. I've gone and cleared underneath all that. I've pruned these trees above me. The client wanted to see their little house again that was engulfed by bramble and ivy, and there was some bamboo to take out of here. Very big garden, lots of maintenance needed. Good morning, here in beautiful Lincolnshire. We have some gutters to do today. Hello and good morning. We've done that. We're going to clear up all these shrubs now. Already cut the grass when it was a bit dry, although today is a very beautiful day. Quite a bit to do here. There's also a back part. Okay, as you can see, all nice and clear, all nice and neat. Okay, we're going to move on to the back. Come through here. I'm going to grab that, open it up. Get all that, de-weed all of that, cut that all back. Just a quick update. You can see that all of this has been cleared. That's been cleared. All neatened up, looking really good. All I have to do now is just that bed over there.